It's me, Clara, or my sweet DIY. Welcome to my channel, and today I got something special for you. I'll be showing you how to crochet a simple and also cute granny square bag. It's a fun project you don't want to miss. If you enjoy it as much as I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you'll be the first to know when I drop a new video. Let's dive into some crafting goodness together. For this project, I'm using a 4mm crochet hook, scissors, some fan decoration fabric, and cotton yarn, and also acrylic yarn. We're gonna start with a slip knot, and now we can do chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we can slip a stitch in the first chain, and then we form a ring. Now we're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now we're gonna make 2 more double crochets into the ring, 1 and 2, and that first chain 3 counts as double crochet. So this is our first group of 3 double crochets. Now we're gonna chain 2 to form a corner, and we're gonna repeat making these groups of 3 double crochets. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is the first double crochet, second, and third. Now we're gonna make chain 2, and this is the second corner, and we're gonna repeat 2 more times, same steps. So I'll meet you right there. And I'm here right at the end. Now we're gonna slip a stitch at the top of the beginning chain 3, and we are done with the first round. Now we're gonna fasten off and change color. So now we're joining our next color in any chain 2 space or corner. We're gonna chain 3. Now we're gonna go and do 2 more double crochets, 1 and 2. Now we're gonna chain 2, and we're gonna make 3 more double crochets into the same chain space, 2 and 3. Now we're gonna make chain 1, and we're gonna go to the next corner, and over there we're gonna repeat exactly the same, which is 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, now we're gonna make chain 2 again for the corner, and 3 more double crochets into the same corner space. Now we're gonna make chain 1 again, and we're gonna repeat exactly the same pattern. We're going to the next corner space, and we're gonna make 3 double crochets, chain 2 for the corner, and 3 double crochets in the same corner space, and then chain 1, and then we go for the last corner space. So I'll meet you right then. I'm here right at the end, and I'm gonna slip a stitch at the top of the beginning chain 3, to finish this round, to join right there, I'm gonna fasten off and change the color. Now we're gonna join our third color. We're gonna go ahead and do the same, join in any chain to space or corner, and we're gonna repeat exactly the same. We're gonna make chain 3, 2 more double crochets, and then we're gonna chain 2, 1, 2 for the corner, and we're gonna make 3 more double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. And now we're gonna chain 1, and we're gonna go to this chain 1 space right here, and we're gonna make 3 double crochets right there, 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm gonna chain 1, and I'm gonna jump to the corner space. Here, if you can see, I'm always enclosing the end so I don't have to weave in a bend. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and make 3 double crochets, crocheting around that end, 2 and 3, now I'm gonna chain 2, and that's the corner, and I'm gonna make 3 more double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm gonna make chain 1, and I'm gonna go to the chain 1 space, and I'm gonna make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna make chain 1, and I'm gonna jump to the next corner space, and I'm gonna repeat exactly the same. 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and I'm gonna continue with that pattern. I'm gonna make chain 1, go to the other corner space. Every time I'm in between these 2 corners or any group of 3 double crochets, I'm gonna make another group of 3 double crochets, and this continue like that. And you can continue with as many rows as you want. I'm just gonna continue with that until the end, and I'll meet you right there. I'm right here at the end, and I'm gonna slip a stitch to join in the top of the beginning chain 3, and I fasten off and I join the next color. I'm joining the next color, same thing, in any corner space or any chain 2 space. Now I'm gonna chain 3, and I'm gonna make 2 more double crochets, 1 and 2, and now I'm gonna chain 2 to form the corner, and I'm gonna make 3 more double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm gonna chain 1, always chain 1 in between groups of 3 double crochets, and I'm gonna go to this chain 1 space, and I'm gonna make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna make chain 1, and I'm gonna repeat exactly the same. I'm gonna go to the next chain 1 space, and I'm gonna make 3 more double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. And now I'm gonna go to the corner space, and I'm gonna continue with the same pattern. And you can continue with as many rows as you want, just repeating the same pattern. So I'll meet you right at the end. This is how the granny square looks like. Here I made 7 rows. You can make as many as you want, depending how big you want your bag. And of course you have to crochet 2 exact same squares. And if you want to add some lining and to make it cute, but it's not needed, and also some decoration like ribbons, beads, makes the project look amazing. Last thing here, we have to join with any method you prefer. Here I'm using the slip stitch method. I'm using to join the 3 sides of the square, and it's better to do it before putting any decoration. Of course I did the opposite here, which is making more difficult for me the joining. The slip stitch method I'm using here is very simple. You just have to insert your hook in the front loop in one square, and then you insert your hook in the back loop of the other square. You yarn over, pull through all the loops, and continue repeating that. Very simple and very cute. You can either crochet the straps for the bag, or here I'm using this Indian fabric I had, and I thought it would be very cute and different and original. Here's the grand reveal, folks. If you're loving this final result as much as I am, remember to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell. Can't wait to catch up with you all soon.